सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मेरे साथ हुई दैट वाज आई ओके कैन यू सी I got few pimples, and rather than being sad about it, I wasn't happy, but I wasn't sad as well. I didn't cried about it, and I think सबसे पहला सक्सेस यही है मेरे लिए कि इवन दो आई एम हैविंग एक्ने राइट नाउ वो भी भर भर के आई एम नॉट क्राइंग फॉर इट और क्राइंग अबाउट इट क्योंकि बहुत यूज टू हो चुकी हूँ एंड ऑल्सो आई डिड माई ईयर पियर्सिंग which was my friend's plan that we should get together and also I did my haircut so it's kind of like layered वुल्फ कट यू कैन से अभी अभी काटा है जब तक उसको थोड़ी लेंथ नहीं आएगी इट वोंट लुक गुड क्योंकि मेरे बाल पहले से ही छोटे थे एंड मैंने अभी भी बाल धोए नहीं है तो इट्स लुकिंग वेरी वेरी ग्रीसी राइट नाउ देखो ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी अभी तेल लगा के आई हूँ बट इट्स फाइन एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम फाइन विद इट आई डोंट केयर हाउ आई लुक कैमरे में ओके आई डोंट केयर वेट हाँ तो सो actually I'm very excited for the year 2025 and I really want to thank the year 2024 बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई to letting go of people. It's okay to lose friends. It's okay to not be strong. It's okay to not following the things which your friends are following right now, or taking a gap. It's a very big deal for a person. In a some families, if you take a year gap after your graduation, because they really wish you to get independent as soon as possible, but it's fine, it's your life in the end. And also the best thing I did last year was starting making videos, and it trust me, it helps me a lot. I don't know if this channel will grow or not. I just wanted to say that I'm really really glad that I started making and uploading videos. I know that I'm not good enough in speaking. I know I'm not confident in enough in front of speaking in the camera, but I'm glad that I started. I started this journey and I'm gonna keep on going doing and making these videos क्योंकि देखो you know you're not good at it but you're still trying. This means this is the first step that you have achieved doing something good for or good about yourself. I can say that even though my English communication is not that good, I still try. I'm not good at talking or expressing, but I'm still trying. And I guess this is the best thing that one can do. Rather than sitting or doing nothing, I guess this much better than that, I think, right? I guess मैं नहीं बहुत सारे लोग भी इस चीज़ से एग्री करेंगे एंड आई गेस टाइम टू टाइम प्रैक्टिस के साथ चीज़ें ग्रो होती है। प्रैक्टिस के साथ मेरे को भी समझ में आ जाएगा कि कैमरा के सामने बोलते कैसे हैं, एंगल कैसे रखना चाहिए, सेटअप कैसे रखना चाहिए। आई एम टू ब्रोक टू डू सम एक्सपेंसिव स्टफ फॉर माई सेल्फ। सो आई तो मैंने सोचा कि द ईयर 2025 एग्जैक्टली मैं बहुत बार सोची थी कि आई स्टार्ट मेकिंग वीडियोस। मैंने शुरू भी किया था, देन आई डिलीटेड एंड देन अगेन फिर मैंने बनाना शुरू किया। I was afraid about my looks and then insecurity, but I'm like, in the end, the whole part of your life is accepting yourself and just do things what makes you happy, right? So I decided to start making videos with the tab which I have and and whose camera quality is really good. तो मैं हमेशा अपने I record my videos with tab and I record myself with this earphones and I think it's fine as long as I can put myself in front of you clearly. It's all right. Time to time सब चीज़ें improve होगी I think, लेकिन we just need a base to start with. Future में देखेंगे when we'll earn, because अभी I'm gonna turn 22 soon and it I really feel illegal to ask my parents for money. I was always this kind of child. I don't like asking money from my parents, and I don't like, you know, asking them for stuff which is very expensive, because To, for good content creation, you really need some good expensive stuff sometimes, or sometimes it's just about your creativity. I i wanted to make funny videos, but I couldn't write much script. I'm not a good script writer, but I can do fun things. But I thought ki I can give good advices. I just love to talk, so I just talk. I love to record, so I'm just recording. I love to express, so I'm just expressing. I just love to talk about good stuff, so I'm just talking whether it's relatable or not. So I think this is the best part of the year 2024, and I really, really want to thank myself that I, put myself into this position to start making the video. I don't know whether this channel will achieve great again, but let's just hope for the best. It's fine. Okay, I'm doing it for myself, not for the publicity. Okay. So yeah, I can say I didn't do anything much in the year 2024. It just gave me some lessons. I had a great time living in my hometown with my grandmother, and there was an unexpected thing which happened in my hometown. As I was in a hometown, I lost someone I love, and he was a father figure to me. So yeah, but in the end, you just have to, let go. Yeah, memories, exactly, but you just have to let go so you don't hurt yourself much. um and also, I lost my friends who were very close to me, like because of some misunderstandings, of course. I didn't get time to say what I wanted to say, or it was like I was just exhausted being with those people. I was done explaining myself over and over again. I was done staying at the place where I felt I was unwanted. I will never ever look back to those friends because they hurted me so bad. And it's okay. I just learned one single thing, that you have to choose your friends very wisely, very wisely. And again, जो भी हुआ 2024 में, या फिर all those years, you just have to make sure that you don't repeat the same old things that you did in those years. You just have to think, you don't have to take the things negatively which happened. You just have to take it as a lesson. कि, okay, now this happened with me. I'm not going to repeat those same things again and again. So this is the first thing which I learned. And of course, I'm not going to repeat it again. I hope you don't do that too. And yes, of course, so many things happens, and then when the year comes to an end, you always realize you were being sad or overreacting over the things which weren't meant that much. And like जिसके पीछे ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I guess yes, that's all I just wanted to say today. I didn't had anything to say, as I was not well as well. I was not prepared before making this video, but I just wanted to express things, so I'm expressing. So I wish you people all the very best. So I'm gonna keep uploading my videos, I guess, twice a week. So next week I'm gonna upload. Sorry, this week I'm gonna upload the next video on Thursday. Thursday, yes. I'm gonna upload the video on Thursday, and with a good one, with a good topic, and yeah. See you next time, and do follow yourself, do follow your heart, achieve things, dream big, and I love you. Bye bye.